tropical update as of 10 p.m. PST, July 31st. Invest 96L has weakened, has become much more organized, and we really no longer forecast a tropical cyclone out of it. I mean, which is kind of surprising, but hey, what can you expect? It's being sheared to hell. I mean, LC right here, convection. Um, it is what it is. I mean, it pretty much has 40-50 for chances of development. Should move northward, then northeastward, out to sea. I don't expect it to develop anymore. 97, that was down to like 10%. I mean, but it actually looks more impressive, but it's part of a front. Moving northeastward out to sea. Shouldn't form into a tropical cyclone. Now the East Pacific, where the action is, we got TD5E, which was 96E. It's moving west northwest, which should turn to the west in the next few days. Become tropical storm pretty soon. I mean, they had a hurricane, probably a major hurricane, most likely. Has real potential. Here's the AT track, pretty much dives at west southwestward because of a hurricane. Probably a major hurricane because of favorable upper levels, warm water, the works. I mean, this is in line with all the models. GFS neighbors show pretty good chance of a strong tropical storm. I think major hurricane. I mean, I think it's way underestimating it. Look at the intensity models. I mean, Cat 2, Cat 3. I think it's pretty likely. The ANC kept it at 30 knots, but I think it's close to tropical storm, moving 290 by 12. Mid-level ridge is located to the north and is expected to continue to steer the cyclone generally westward. Ridge may strengthen towards the end of the week, causing a west motion. Track guidance is in very good agreement, as you can see. Environment is going to be favorable. It's going to have a small core for a significant strength in over 24 to 72 hours. They forecast 110. I think a major looking pretty likely for this thing. Very likely. But we'll have to see. Here it is. I mean, small system. Okay, we're gonna look at it. Here's 36 hours. Here's it. 983 based on the operational GFS. There's our 20% in the central, almost the Central Pacific. And we got a system forming off South Central America, which is also worth watching. Let's go to 48 hours. 1979. CMC is much weaker. CMC has been a very weak system so far this season. ECMW 1002. Icon 1010. 72 hours 1007. CMC 1004. A lot weaker, doesn't even show a system off for Mexico forming. The GFS 980 got the isobar for this system. Let's go to 96. Now you have two tropical cyclones in the Eastern Pacific. 983 for Dora. Another system 994. 120, you got two hurricanes in the Eastern Pacific. I mean, I think it's pretty likely right now. Here's the CMC, which takes the second one much closer to land. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, I think Dora becomes a cat free. Could become a Fetro Y. This system over here has 20%, but I think it's probably been a depression for a few days now. That's why you find LC, but AC is never going to acknowledge it. A system could form off Central America, will probably become another hurricane. I think 50-80 is its odds right now. Well, that's your tropical update.